It is a great day. It is perfect. It's so fresh, so clean. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy already. It was just so beautiful on my drive that I had to pull over and show you this. Look at how much rain. I mean, I've never seen so moist a year up here. Look at her. Look at how she looks when she's covered with clouds. Look at these trees. Look at this place. Little trails, little game trail there. Off into the trees. The strawberries have just gone insane this year. Nice. That's unreal. Even down here, there's so much of this on my claim that I'm not even on my claim. Like, who's crying about that? Look at that stuff. throw this friggin' green jasper in the truck. You know, that's why you just take your time and enjoy life. You know, if I hadn't pulled over to enjoy the beauty that captured my attention, I wouldn't have wandered over here and found another source. There's been some good rain up here. Everything is very wet. And I'm going to get some wet pants and some wet boots walking through today, boy. Let's have a look. Hey, that's nice. That whole outcrop, you know, I just picked up about 20 pounds of this. It's not actually jasper, it's considerably softer. But I mean, look, it still holds a nice edge to it. Conchoidal fracture, polishes perfectly, but easily. Welcome back to the volcano. Beautiful day today. Feels very ancient and mysterious because she's wearing a crown of clouds. It's been raining up here. Everything is wet. I'm gonna be soaked. Already found things. Already found a new outcrop. I really wasn't even looking. But I'm just soaking it in. What a perfect day. It is warm, but it rained. And the mountain is in flower. You can see I'm in a strawberry patch, another strawberry patch. Oh, magnificent. Let's go to the fire opal. Let's see if I can't excavate that a little bit and determine how deep that seam goes, how wide it gets, how thick and juicy it really is, because wow, that material looks good. It looks really good. Okay guys, Treasure Volcano, let's go. Well, I think I'll get out the hammer for this. A little bit of blue silica, but when I hit it, it tends to, looks like it's going through a bit. So let's tap it. So I just went to, you know, tap on that from there. But look at what's on that side. Look at that, fire opal. You see that? God damn. There's a seam of fire opal here. Okay, well, I'm still gonna break on this rock, but I'm very surprised to see that all along the edge. See this? It's not very thick. That's all freaking fire opal. Tight. Guess I'm gonna scratch around there for a minute. She gone. I found a couple pieces of the sharp stuff. Really got me. You know, this stuff up here is extremely glassy, very, very sharp, super pure. Like, oh, polishes like a dream. Also cuts meat well. Another little chunk, you know, piece of the brecciated stuff. Throw that in the bag. But I overshot the opal spot. It's too low or too high, so now I gotta backtrack and see if I can't find that bad boy. All right, wish me luck. Okay, starting to pick up a few pieces. That one's nice. Brecciated silicate. Ooh. And this nice little broken piece. There's another one up here. I think. So you see how these little infill pieces usually have a flat side where it rests up against a piece of basalt, a loose piece of breccia perhaps, and yeah, they fill in and erode out. What have we here? That's an opal seam. Okay, not the fire opal I was looking for, but there's some more. A piece of seam. Okay, these bugs are so enjoyable. Wow, what a good day. Yeah, okay, let's have a little scratch around here. Have a look up there, see where these seams are coming from. Another piece here glowing in the sun. It's good. A bit of a weird one. So we got some botryoidal inside there. Sure, toss her in the bag. This looks good. Oh, that's a good one. Hey, all right. It's a beautiful piece of seam agate. Some breccia on there. It's a good piece. Excellent. That was a nice piece. Sort of instant reward.
when I got up onto this high level. Beautiful stuff. Well, wandered around looking for that fire opal seam. I couldn't find it, so I ended up here at my other opal seam. So I started digging because it's wet, so you know it's not gonna be wet very much longer, and then this is gonna cement up again, and it'll be extremely hard to break. Right now it's super easy, but you know it's been a while since I've been here. I missed it, or I hit the vein pretty straight on just now. But yeah, stuff can all come home. I mean, one shape or another, it'll make her home. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna expose right there. But it's sharp. Like, look at those. Okay. Well, shit, wouldn't you know it? You go underneath the agate seam. And sure enough, underneath the agate was a big, fat, chocolate opal seam. I mean, basically it's fire opal, but this is just like a little dark, and it's a little thick. So if you had some thinner pieces that were clean, second here. So this piece has still got dirt on it, but let's see here. Where's the sun? You see what I mean? Chocolate opal. Turns out it's fire opal. It's just like burnt, you know, smoky fire or something. Huh. But oops. So really hate it when people do that. Hate it when I do it even more, I think. Huh. Oh, well, I'm gonna see what I can salvage here. It's just trying to get underneath and pry it up. But no, I decided that my pick was gonna go right into the middle of it. All right, back at it. Chunky opal seam here. Got in on this side and it's over there too. So, wow. I don't really, okay, maybe I do now. Yeah, oh, I did some damage today. Oh no, I really did damage today. Shit. Yeah, I just poured the water on. Let it get in there, let it get to work. It's not the choicest material at this part. Oh, wrecked. Yeah. Boy, oh boy. Did a number, kids. I really did a number today. Shit. Ay. It's not great. It's not great. It's not great. That's not a great way to treat your material. It's a bad start. Dang it. Okay, I filled my bag here. I think I'm gonna stop for today. I gotta bring back jugs of water, soak this whole area. This seam was flat, and then it takes a turn here. It goes down, it comes over. It is like 3 inches thick opal right here, maybe a couple inches right here. Just pure glassy, fractured, shattered opal. And then yeah, that's opal up there again. And then it turns a little more into chalcedony as it goes up. But and that, I mean, I was excavating opal there as well. So this opal seam goes right underneath me. It is big. There's a lot of opal on this bluff. I have to take this seriously and come and excavate this and do it right. I can bring my friend and just clean this whole place out, pack a bunch of water in, try and wash everything so we can take a proper assessment of the situation. But this is for sure opal. I don't know, you want to call it chocolate opal, you want to call it root beer opal, or, you know, burnt sienna opal. I don't care. It's opal. It's a band. If it lightens up, it's fire opal. If it darkens up, it's black opal. It is an incredible find. So I'm gonna head out. I don't think I'm gonna try and find that fire opal today, but it was I mean, it was great as always. The mountain spoiled me again, just gives me all kinds of stuff, treasure to take home, and it's here waiting for me whenever I need it. Okay guys, it was a blast. Maybe we'll stop at the creek. If not, thanks for watching. Have a great one. Well, I decided to cleanse myself from these stones, and this sacred water comes from the mountain, comes all year, stays cold even in the hottest, driest times. But I figured that I would soak these stones in this water after I was so cruel to them, and a little wash. See what some of these look like here before we go. Some of these are kind of muddy, not very pure, but there were definitely some really choice specimens.